Hi, and welcome back to this episode of Clunker Revival, where we try to make this old boat run. Up first, change the oil and see if there's any water in the old oil. Up next, we try to do a compression test, only to find out we have the wrong tool. Next step is to change the fuel filter and find out that it needed to be changed a long time ago. Then on to more testing, where we remove the spark plugs and see if the motor will turn. Some good news here, the motor is turning and we do see fresh oil at the top of the cylinder head. Then with the right compression tool, we test all 4 cylinders. While cylinder 1 did not come back favorable, cylinder 2, 3, and 4 did. The next checkbox was to test for spark. Remember to hook up the coil wire when testing for spark. After confirming that the coil wire was hooked up, we did indeed have spark. After completing all of these tests, we put back in the spark plugs and hooked up the spark plug wires, made sure we had fuel, and then see if she ran. After the boat ran for a while, we did decide to do another compression test. This time, cylinder 1 did come back favorable, and along with cylinder 2, 3, and 4, all cylinders were within 8 psi of each other. We did confirm that the float was stuck, and we needed to clear out some old gunk from the float. Next, we reassembled the carburetor, played with the settings, and we had some luck. The next day, we wheeled out the boat in the driveway and tested the lower drive unit. It did go into forward, but did not go into reverse. We will leave that for the next episode where we test the lower drive unit. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and see you next time.